Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download your LinkedIn profile or anybody's LinkedIn profile as PDF. Now, for you to download your or anybody's LinkedIn profile as PDF, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser or the LinkedIn application on your device. Once you've opened up LinkedIn, make sure that your account is logged in. After you've logged into your account, you'll be on this home page of LinkedIn. Now from here, you will have to navigate to your profile. Now there are two ways to do that. You can either simply click on your name on the left side of your screen, or you can use this me option and then click on this view profile option. After you click on view profile and once you see your profile on your screen, you'll see this resources button on your screen on the top of your profile. Now either you'll see this resources button or you'll see a more button. Whatever button you see, go ahead and click on it, which will drop down a menu. Now on this menu, simply click on the save to PDF button, which will be the second option. After you click on the save to PDF button, a PDF file will be downloaded to your device. Go ahead and look at it, and as you can see, your profile, once you've filled in all your information, will be downloaded to your device as a CV or a PDF. I hope this video helped you to download your profile as PDF on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.